Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. So, I want to apologize to you guys. I feel like I have just been so low energy lately and so boring and so just not myself lately. It has been so cold where I live and just, I don't know, man, like sometimes my depression and anxiety just gets really bad in different seasons, and I think it's because I have a vitamin D deficiency, my doctor was telling me, and sometimes that affects my mood and my personality, and I just feel like I haven't been myself. I don't know, like I feel like sometimes I'll film a video and I'll be like, that totally emulates my personality, and then sometimes I'll look back and I'll be like, who was that girl? Why am I acting so sad? Like I have no reason to be sad. Like what the heck? I just want to say that's not who I am, and I'm going to try to be more consistent on the kind of content and the kind of person I want you guys to expect when you watch my videos, because that's not me. I hope you guys understand that everybody goes through things and that's just a part of life and you're forgiving. So yeah, okay, I think I'm done with that. Yeah, anyways, I just walked in from work. I don't know if you guys know, I am a makeup artist at a local modeling agency here in Jacksonville, Florida called Sessions Modeling Studio. I think that's their technical title. And I've been working there since I was literally like 12 or 13 years old, and I've been working there for 10 years. So yeah, I don't know how that was relevant. I just don't know if you guys knew that about me. There's a big chance I'm gonna knock over this tiny plant I put here, but I just really liked it. I got it at TJ Maxx. You guys know I'm obsessed with TJ Maxx. If anyone knows me, they know that I'm in love with TJ Maxx. But yeah, I'm probably, actually definitely going to probably knock this over. But that has nothing to do with today's video. Today's video is about how to start a YouTube channel. I'll put where to skip to if you don't want to hear my crap. Anyways. So, all of my friends, not all of my friends, some of my friends and some of my friends from college, student friends, and adults are asking me, Summer, how did you just like start doing YouTube videos? Like, I just burped, that was gross. Wow, I'm disgusting. Just because like, I know I'm saying like so much, I'm sorry. I feel like people think that because, you know, I'm just starting out that I have like the secret to like how to start doing videos on YouTube and stuff and just like how to begin. Sorry, I keep touching my eyebrows. This is the same makeup I've had on since 10 and it is my broken phone. It is, sorry, someone texted me, 3:20, so I look like a garbage can. What does that have to do with? I think I might have ADD. So people are asking me like they think I have the inside secret how to start a YouTube channel, and here is the deal, people. You just have to start. It literally took me an entire year of having so many different resources finally to start making YouTube videos to literally just start making them. Like, my boyfriend got me my camera and I didn't even tell him I wanted to start doing YouTube videos. He was just like, Summer, you do makeup, you're so talkative, you have a great personality. And I was like, thanks babe, wow, I'll keep you. And he was like, you just need to do YouTube videos. And I was like, okay. So he gave me all the stuff and here I is. But like it literally took so much stress out of me just thinking about putting a video on the internet, and I don't know why, like I just would become obsessed about it. For some reason I thought I was just gonna be like this overnight success and like my first video would just go like crazy, and then I'd always be like, why did I post that and why did I say that, and now it's like so popular. And well, newsflash, I am not popular on YouTube at all, really. I think right now I have 300 something subscribers, so if you're one of them, you the real, what do people say, MVP, most valuable person player, you're the real deal. So how to begin, how to start doing them. So iPhone quality cameras are so good now. Like I wish that I would have started, I tried a couple years ago, before I really thought seriously about doing YouTube, just to mess around, taking videos on my phone and then editing in the iMovie app and stuff, just like playing around with it, because doing like makeup stuff for Instagram, I don't know, but it was a total fail and I couldn't figure out how to like upload, and then I just gave up. And here's the thing, I would not have learned how to do all this stuff if it wasn't for just me working myself. People always think, oh, I'll get like this person to help me and then like it'll work out and like they'll teach me. Like when they get the chance to teach me to do how to something I need to know to make videos, then like I'll know. And it's like, no, you just need to teach yourself. Like you need to go on YouTube literally and look up tutorials on how to change your camera settings to look like Jaclyn Hill's, you know, photo quality or her type of videos, which my videos are not that good. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying like I wanted to emulate similar like colors in my images or how to make things look like how professional YouTubers kinda do the best I could, because I was just so worried that like, oh, my first video is gonna get so popular and then I'm gonna have all this fame and the video is gonna be terrible. But no one is watching. I'm literally begging people to like watch my videos. Even my closest friends sometimes don't watch my videos and it breaks my heart. I'm not gonna lie. I think I have more strangers watching my videos than my close friends, which is kind of odd. But anyways, so you need to just find the 1 ounce of self-motivation you have in yourself, even on your worst day, and be like, I'm gonna look up how to edit on iMovie, and go watch a video and sit down, and you might have to pause it, see what they're clicking, like zoom in, because you can't figure out what that button is. Like, I'm not tech savvy at all, so like if I can do this, then anyone can do this. I have an uncle, my Uncle Todd Brunel, if you're familiar with his work. He does cinematography, and so I had been like non-stop texting him, and he responds back like so quickly, and he's so nice and informative, just like how to do different ISO on camera, because I had like no idea what ISO was or aperture or all these different settings to just get like the best quality I could with the camera that I have, and how to have better lighting and what type of curtains I should get in my room if I want to film in the daytime. And you know, even now it's hard for me to just get the courage to post, or not even the courage, just the, I don't know, the positivity I want to be filming in my videos. Like, I want to give you guys the best, but on like a real note, like sometimes not every day is my best, and I can't help that, but sometimes like I need to post something, and even though my attitude's not where I want it to be for you guys, like I have to like keep posting content. So sometimes it gets to me that I'm not, you know, being positive enough. I'm really sorry if this video is hard to follow and understand. Like I've said in other videos, it's really hard for me to talk on camera because I'm not talking to like a person who responds back to me, so then I get like really sidetracked sometimes. Yeah, so basically you need to be a problem solver. Like you need to say like, oh, I don't know how to do this, or I don't know how to film this, or my camera doesn't have that good enough quality, then save up or go watch reviews on YouTube. You love YouTube? Go watch reviews on YouTube of the best cheap cameras that you can buy and where you can buy them, and if you can go to like Best Buy or where the nearest tech places are that you can go look at their cameras or go look at their software. I've even sometimes gone into like some of those tech places and like I didn't know how to do something on my computer and I didn't have anyone help me, so I was like, I lost this video, like do you guys know how to retrieve it? Like they can say no, but at least I know I asked somebody, and you know, before I go to all the work to trying to like doing something on my own, like I at least tried, you know, and I feel like that puts me in a better mental place. Like when you're trying to accomplish something, like at least you reached out and did all you could before you gave up. You know what I mean? So yeah, basically my tips are starting and then being a problem solver. Like you need to figure out how to, you know, produce the content you want. And then other tips, like I just had a friend who asked me like some tips for starting a YouTube channel because she just started hers, and I was just telling her I have the problem where I always think like my content has to be something that make like my parents proud of or the most moral people in my life proud of me, but it shouldn't be about that. As a creator, the content that you make should be up to like your moral standards, and if someone's not happy with that, then they probably shouldn't be the people watching your videos, because you wouldn't want them to be in your creative space anyways. Like, you know what I mean? If you're creating videos and, you know, someone has a problem with, say, like that you do, you know, swimsuit hauls and like you let people see your body, then they're not the kind of people you want to attract. Like, You might be trying to attract people who really want to know just like how swimsuits fit, and you might not be trying to attract like pervy weirdo people who are commenting creepy things, but that's not what YouTube's about. YouTube should be about creating relationships with people so they feel like they're your best friend and you can be honest with them and admit, you know, bad things and honest truths, but they also can learn information from you just like they would with a friend. And that should be the kind of thing, the message that you want to put. So you're trying to be honest and tell truths about things, but you're also trying to inform. And I think that's really just the whole goal, regardless of what your channel is geared to. I do makeup and I do fashion and I do lifestyle kind of things, and you know, that should be the goal on even like I don't know, people who review like video games and stuff. Yeah, you want to be friendly, honest, and you know, teach people, give valuable, insightful information. I think that I said everything I wanted to say. I don't really know. This is probably going to be pretty hard to edit because I talked about so much random crap right now. But I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day, and if you don't already, please follow my socials at Summer Lane MUA or just Summer Lane. Type it in, you'll find my picture. I have a little picture where my hair is inside and I'm like, yeah. And that's kind of like my icon nowadays. I don't know, I'm feeling fancy. But yeah, I hope you guys have amazing life day and just start YouTube. You may not believe in yourself, but I believe in you, and I am fully confident that you can start and you can make this a career for yourself if you just put in the work. Alright you guys, see you later.